Hello everyone.
Good morning. My name is Kalina Aulia.
My name is Gina Atia.
My name is Nazo Aulia.
Have you ever wondered that our communication is faster than before? And now, we're gonna talk about the impact of AI in human pattern.
Artificial intelligence or AI is referred to computer system capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as reasoning, learning from experience, pattern recognition, and natural language processing. In human communication, AI simulates cognitive function to process data, interpret context, and generate response that mimic human-like interaction. AI is highly relevant for communication science students as it transforms how information is created, disseminated, and engaged, including context personalization, audience analysis, and ethical challenge in media. Students benefit by using AI to enhance writing, public speaking, practice, and trend detection in scientific or media communication. An evolution of human communication with AI has evolved from oral tradition to real-time digital exchange, with AI now acting as a mediator that enhances intent, context interpretation, and efficiency in interaction. This progression shifts from slow, deliberate methods like letters and telegraph to instant, telephone, and internet-based. Traditional media rely on physical letter, print, radio, or telephone for one-way or delay exchange limited by distance and time. The internet era brought email, social platform, or media call. An AI-based media now personalize content, automate response, and predict engagement via natural language processing and machine learning enables scalable, context-aware communication across channels. And for example is chatbot, virtual assistant, and AI in social media. They handle inquiries, recommendation, and booking 24 hours using NPL for real-time personalized service. Tools such as Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant process voice command for tasks like reminds and device control, making interaction hands-free and intuitive. And let's move on to the next point, which is positive and negative impact. Now, Gina will discuss.
Okay, so the next positive impact of AI on communication patterns. Number 1, efficiency and speed of communication. With AI, communication process become faster. For example, chatbots or virtual assistant can respond instantly without long waits. This makes daily interaction and work more efficient. Number 2, personalization of message and automation of communication. Number 3, expanding the reach of communication. AI helps expand communication reach. And last, number 4, increasing consistency in communication. AI ensures the message are consistent and do not vary. For example, a chatbot always provides the same response to the same question, making information received by others clearer and more reliable. Next, negative impact of AI on human communication. Number 1, decline in emotional communication and empathy. Although of facilitates communication, interaction become more mechanical. Human might lose the ability to feel others' emotion, leading to decline in empathy during communication. Number 2, dependence on AI and decline in interpersonal skills. For instance, if we depend too much on chatbots, we might become less automated to talking directly and building interpersonal relationships. Number 3, reduce direct social interaction. AI can reduce face-to-face social interaction. Many people prefer replying via apps or AI assistant rather than meeting and speaking directly, which may lower the quality of social relationship. And last, number 4, risk of misinformation and lack for clarity. AI can also cause the risk of misinformation or unclear message. For example, if AI provides automatic response that are incorrect, people may receive misleading or confusing information. Now, Nazwa will discuss ethical and future implication.
AI has made human communication faster and easier, such as short automated reply or chatbot that help with everyday conversation. But there are pros and cons. On the one hand, AI makes language more efficient and reduce hard words through moderation. But on the other hand, it can make everyone's language the same, eliminating personal characteristics and reducing the ability to read emotion or understand other people's culture. Where AI often adds English and Western rules, so it can give advice that is inappropriate or harmful to people from other culture. There is also the risk of overly strict AI censorship, which make people afraid to speak freely and lose diversity of opinion, to the point that the younger generation will be less creativity and lose their own cultural identity. Therefore, we need AI that is more fair and ethical so that communication remains balanced and humane. Now, on the next slide, I will give recommendation on human communication pattern with AI to make it faster and more personal. First, AI decolonization involves local language and culture expert early on to eliminate English bias and understand local nuance such as small talk. Second, demographic-based personalization. Collect demographic data should a provision on the AI transparency to tailor AI communication style with full preference control by user. Third, quality control and long-term evaluation. Conduct longitudinal multidisciplinary study to ensure AI understands complex concepts such as discussing criticism for headspace and its social impact. Fourth, human feedback loop. Create an easy feedback mechanism so that AI can adapt to local norms such as Indonesia or Nigeria without imposing universal standard. Fifth, standardized citizen reporting. Establish industry standard for AI error transparency, facilitation, collaboration for ethical solution, and last, increase mobile device adoption. Conduct research to identify and address barriers such as interface, relevant, and preface to increase the adoption of AI feature on smartphone. With this step, AI can improve communication without damaging culture or human rights.
Okay, case study AI as a story combination for teenagers. In this case study, it is shown that many teenagers now choose AI as a place to express their feelings when they find it difficult to talk to friends or family. AI is viewed as a safe, always available, and non-judgmental listener, which makes them feel more comfortable sharing what they are going through. However, although this can help them feel calmer and emotionally support, relying too heavily on AI may reduce their opportunities for deeper interaction with real people. As a result, their ability to understand others' emotions, build empathy, and form their social relationship may gradually weaken.
In conclusion, our research has shown AI has revolutionized human communication by enhancing efficiency, personalization, and global reach while introducing challenges like reduced empathy, skill erosion, and misinformation rates. As a double-edged sword, it breaks traditional and digital media, but demands ethical oversight to preserve diversity and human agency. By prioritizing decolonization, transparency, and adaptive design, AI can enrich communication without homogenizing it, fostering a future where technology empowers human communication responsibility.
Okay, that's all the explanation about the impact of AI in human communication pattern. See you!